This video has 6 simple exercises you can do while still lying in bed to help get your day started so you can have the best morning ever. Let's start with exercise number 1, neck shaking. The biggest reason why it's so hard to get up in the morning is because your brain is still asleep. So we need to wake up that brain so that you can get up and get your day started. Simply shake your neck side to side. While shaking your head side to side, breathe out gently to release any fatigue that's still remaining in your body. Exercise number 2, toe tapping. As you keep shaking your head side to side, now we're going to shake our legs side to side. So with your legs straight, make your heels touch. Then begin tapping your big toes together. The best way to do this is to move your legs from your hips and tap your toes so you don't strain yourself. Tap at a pace, speed, and pressure that is comfortable and helps you wake up. You will feel your legs start to tingle and energy will travel up to your legs. Do this for at least 1 minute or 50 reps, depending on which one comes first. You can stop tapping when you notice slight vibration or tingling moving throughout your body. Exercise number 3, spinal twist. Bring your knees to your chest as if you were going to wrap your arms around them and give them a hug. Then, take your right leg and cross it over to the left side. Let the legs fall to the left side of your body. As you do this, position your arms like a cactus and turn your head to the opposite direction of your legs. Hold this side for about 30 to 45 seconds while breathing out gently. Then, switch. Bring your left leg to the right side and turn your head to the left side. When you're finished, stretch your legs back out and bring your mind back to your breath. Exercise number 4, fish exercise. Clasp your hands and stretch them over your head. As you stretch your arms, now wiggle your whole body from your palms all the way down your spine and to your legs. When you move side to side, it should feel like you're a fish out of water, flapping side to side. Shake your whole body for about 20 seconds. Through this exercise, you are bringing circulation of energy and blood down your spine so that your whole body can wake up. Exercise number 5, palm rubbing. While lying on your back with your head still resting on your pillow, bring your palms together in front of your chest and rub them as fast as you can for 30 seconds. This will increase your energy level and increase the flow of warm blood to the body. Now last exercise, exercise number 6, eye cup and arm swipe. Take your warm palms and cup them over your open eyes to release energy from your hands to your sleepy eyes. Hold them there for 30 seconds and feel the power of your own energy flow. This is very soothing, so try not to fall back asleep. This exercise has incredible benefits, including healthier eyesight, stimulation to the liver meridian, and a gentle energy release. Next, massage your face, rub your hair, and bring your palms down each arm from shoulder to fingertip. You can also sweep down your chest, your arms, your hips, your abdomen, your legs, your whole body. You might feel tingling and a warm sensation on your arms as your body awakens. Now, as a bonus exercise, slowly turn your body and sit up into a half lotus posture. Before you jolt up out of bed, take some time to take deep abdominal breaths into your body to let fresh energy in and out of all of your cells. As you focus on your breathing, your awareness will go back into your body, which will become the foundation for having a great day ahead. Now your body is fully energized and ready for the day. Even if you're not a morning person, these simple exercises can help you feel like you can take on anything, and all before you even step out of bed. Try these exercises and let us know how you did in the comments below. See you in another video. Bye!